So as you see, we connected our charger. This laptop has two Thunderbolt USB charger, and it has a connector for a headphone. It's a nice kind of addition. And as you see, we have here we have a touch screen where can you perform multiple functions by just touching on them. And so this is the thing, and here we have a finger ID. I just turned on my laptop. I would give you feedback about my laptop once I complete the installation and check it and let you know. But for MacBook of 13 inches, it looked weird initially when I tried, because the screen was looking small as I was using MacBook Pro 16 inches before. But it seems like we will try it and we will see how it works. So as of now, I will upload a new video after a while installing everything and tell you the performance of this laptop. Thank you for watching till now. Have a good day. Bye.